I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Home Mini and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled so the app can detect the speaker. This is how the app finds new devices. Keep the Mini within a few feet of your router during setup to avoid signal issues. Once the device appears in the app as New Device, tap to begin. The app steps you through assigning a room and recognizing the device, which prepares it to receive your Wi-Fi credentials. Now focus on entering your network details. The app will display nearby networks. Select yours and type the password slowly to avoid mistakes because one wrong character stops the process. The app uploads credentials to the Mini and negotiates connection. That's why it needs Bluetooth first. If you have a dual band router and the Mini fails to connect, try choosing the 4 GHz band since it has better range and compatibility during setup. Make sure your phone stays on the same network until setup finishes. Once the app shows a confirmation chime and connected, test the Mini with a simple voice command to verify audio and internet access. If it doesn't connect, first reboot the router and plug the Mini out and back in. Sometimes DHCP needs refreshing. Next, rerun setup and carefully retype the Wi-Fi password and ensure no captive portal or network restrictions block new devices. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Mini and repeat setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.